In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the coincidences that I want to highlight to you that took place in the investigations and trials seeking justice for Dan Markel. Who is Dan Markel? Dan Markel is a Florida resident that was living in Tallahassee, and he was the father of two young boys. He was shot in his driveway twice in the head on the 18th of July 2014. He died several hours later in hospital. Dan Markel was married to Wendy Adelson. They had a nasty divorce and were going through family litigation over the finances and child arrangements. Wendy Adelson, his ex-wife, wanted to move the children to Miami, Florida, to be closer to her parents, and Dan Markel, having shared custody, objected to this move as he did not want to change the child arrangements, as he had enjoyed his time and routine with the boys. Wendy Adelson sought a court order to move and lost. Dan Markel, prior to the shooting, was seeking an order from the court to limit Wendy Adelson's mother, the grandmother, from seeing her grandchildren unsupervised, as he was concerned Donna Adelson was alienating the grandchildren against him, making disparaging comments to the boys. Dan Markel had also made another application to the court regarding Wendy Adelson and her attorney falsifying financial disclosures, which could have possibly, if found true, have legal ramifications to their professions in practicing law. These motions were due to be heard in court. Dan Markel was coincidentally shot and died before these issues were litigated before the court. Coincidentally, Wendy Adelson left for Miami the next day with the boys. In this video, I highlight the other coincidences that stood out in my opinion. You can now make your comments stand out with his super chat. You will see the $ icon at the bottom right of your screen. Click that to adjust the amount you want to support the channel with. Thank you. You can find a link to this video on the description area below, or you will see a pinned comment in the comments below. I'm Karen Cole. I'll see you on the premiere, or I'll see you on the replay.